Hey little yogis, so happy you're here. Smile big and have fun. Let's move, stretch, and feel strong and happy. Grab your mat, take a big breath. Let's go. Cobra, can you lie down and lift your chest like a snake? Eagle, can you wrap your arms and balance like an eagle? Good job. Good job. Penguin, walk with small steps like a penguin. Dolphin, can you put your arms down and lift your hips up? Good job. Seal, can you push your chest up and look forward like a seal? Good job. Snake stretch. Can you slide low and lift your chest like a snake? Butterfly. Sit and flap your legs like wings. Rabbit. Curl down like a little rabbit. Seal, can you push your chest up and look forward? Starfish, can you lie down and stretch wide like a starfish? Reverse triangle, can you twist your body and reach up high? Mountain, stand tall and stay still. Tree, balance on one leg like a tree. Square, can you sit strong and keep your body still like a square? Pyramid, can you bend forward and stretch your leg like a pyramid? Diamond, can you sit still like a shining diamond? Good job. Half moon, balance and open your body. Good job. Triangle, stretch down and reach up. Bridge, can you lie down and lift your hips high? Good job. Seated bend. Can you sit and reach for your toes? Good job. Warrior 2. Can you stand strong with your arms wide like a warrior? Warrior 3. Lean forward and balance. Airplane. Stretch arms out like flying. Tightrope. Can you walk slowly like on a rope? Crane. Can you balance on your hands like a crane? Tree variation. Can you balance tall and steady like a strong tree? Good job. Heel lift. Stand on your toes and hold. Robot. Move stiff like a robot. Rainbow. Can you bend your body like a rainbow? Good job. Cloud. Can you move softly like a floating cloud? Moon. Can you reach up and curve your arms like the moon? Star hold. Hold still, don't move. Smile. Stand tall and give a big, happy smile. Good job.